out to see. Today I'm going to show you all string hoppers. String hoppers made by wheat flour. Usually people like to have string hoppers, but then the diabetic people cannot have string hoppers because it's made out of rice flour. So today we are going to make string hoppers with wheat flour. Iddiyappam with godume maavu. So let's check how we are going to do it. So all we need is 1.5 cups of wheat flour, which I've taken here, and 1.5 cups of water and a pinch of salt. I'm going to roast the wheat flour and heat the water. The water has to boil. I add the salt to the water, let it boil. And I'm going to roast the wheat flour till we get a nice aroma. Put the stove on sim because it should not become very brown. The raw flavor has to go and we have to roast it till then. You will get a nice aroma and keep on stirring so that it doesn't get burnt. It's almost done. I've roasted this on sim flame for about 10 minutes now. So we are almost through. The water is also boiling. We need nice boiling water, and this we have to keep on stirring, otherwise it will get burnt. So the water is boiling well. I'll add water little by little. Make it to a pliable dough. I'm adding about 1 tablespoon of ghee to this. It's soft and pliable now, and we will leave it to rest for about 10 to 15 minutes, and by then I'll show you how to make the potato stew. Okay, so let this rest for some time and then we can make our iddiyappams. So now let's see what all we require to make the stew. I have about 300 grams of potato boiled and half a coconut. This is the first milk, thick milk, and this is the second milk. and about 100 grams of onion, 2 green chili, a piece of ginger, little bit of salt and cinnamon, coconut oil, salt to taste, and some curry leaves. So let's start making our stew. So let's start. The pan is on. About 30 ml of coconut oil. Salt and cinnamon. The curry leaves into it. The onions. A pinch of salt into the onions. Ginger cut into strips. Two green chilies. The onions may not be really roasted well, just till the color changes. It's very simple. It's done. I'll add the potatoes now, the mashed potatoes. Toss it for a few minutes and add the second milk, coconut milk. Check for salt. If you need salt, you can add it now. And because it is coconut milk, keep on stirring, otherwise it might tend to curdle up. So just keep on stirring. And the variation you can do in this is, if you are non-vegetarians, you can always add boiled mutton or chicken or even beef to this. It will make a delicious stew, or even mixed vegetables. Check for the salt. It's almost boiling now. At this junction, I add in the thick milk also. We just wait for it to boil a little bit, and I'll tell you a small tip, because this tends to be a little bit on the watery side. I will add about half teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of rice flour. Mix in some water. And add into this so your stew will be a little bit thick. We are almost through. The lovely smell of coconut oil and coconut milk. We are done, and some coriander leaves. So our awesome potato stew is ready. So now our dough is ready. See, it has to be so soft. It's almost rested for 15-20 minutes till the time we took to make the stew, and now we're ready to go with the iddiyappam. I have my iddiyappam pan on here. Put the plate inside. So now my string hoppers maker is ready. I have put oil inside. I'm coating it with oil. Now I take the dough, little bit of oil on the dough, put it inside, some more. See how lovely the iddiyappams are flowing out. Get the next plate on. now for 10 minutes. It's cooked. It's almost done. I switch off the flame now. Let it rest for a few minutes before we take it out. So now let's see, our iddiyappam is ready. It will be hot, be careful. See how soft and beautiful. You will love this. It's a different once you switch off the stove, you have to allow it to rest for 10-15 minutes. It's smelling so good, so soft and nice, and something totally different. Friends, please do try this. You'll really enjoy it. So our iddiyappam is here. So the iddiyappams are ready and our lovely stew is ready. And here, please do make it and enjoy it and leave your comments. Seen how to make string hoppers, and I've shown you how to make stew also. So friends, please try this and leave your comments. And this is Patricia signing out from Knockout to See. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. See you all soon with another exciting video. Bye.